Hey everyone! Today, we've got a super challenging math quiz for you. These problems are going to really make you think. Write down how many you got correct, and while you're here, hit that subscribe button for more brain-bending fun. Let's go! 235 plus 189 equals? $4.24. If 3 apples cost $1.50, how much would 7 apples cost? $3.50. What is 10% of $800? $80. 357 minus 123 equals? The answer is 234. A $75 shirt is on sale for 20% off. What's the sale price? $60. 48 divided by 4 equals? $12. 456 plus 321 equals? $777. 63 divided by 7 equals? It's 9. 12 times 8 equals? It's 96. 489 minus 234 equals? $255. 23.5 plus 15.8 equals? $39.3. 789 plus 123 equals? $912. If 5 books cost $40, how much would 9 books cost? $72. 621 minus 345 equals? It's 276. 90 divided by 9 equals? $10. 15 times 4 equals? The answer is 60. If 8 tickets cost $120, how much would 3 tickets cost? $45. 753 minus 456 equals? $297. 259 plus 233 equals? $492. 561 plus 124 equals? It's 685. 56 divided by 8 equals? The answer is 7. If 2 pizzas cost $28, how much would 5 pizzas cost? $70. What is 50% of $1,200? $600. 8 and 85 minus 567 equals? $318. 18 times 3 equals? $54. 411 plus 239 equals? The answer is 650. 36 divided by 6 equals? The answer is 6. 31.2 plus 27.9 equals? $59.1. What is 1% of $500? $5. 45.6 plus 38.7 equals? It's 84.3. 912 minus 345 equals? $567. A $250 jacket is discounted by 40%. What's the sale price? $150. $899 plus 111 equals? $1010. 987 plus 210 equals? $1197. What is 15% of $600? $90. 25 times 3 equals? It's 75. 52.1 plus 49.3 equals? $101.4. 333 plus 451 equals? $784. If 6 toys cost $54, how much would 10 toys cost? $90. 871 minus 659 equals? $212. Phew, that was a workout for the brain. How many did you manage to crack? Share your results in the comments. And if you're up for more mathematical mayhem, hit that subscribe button for more quizzes. See you!